One day before this trip, I dropped my phone and shattered the screen. The day of the trip, I received 2 denial letters from UT's PhD program and one from Howard's. Forget you, Doc. This is my life. 3 hours into the trip, I got a speeding ticket as soon as I crossed the Louisiana state line.
Just like I said you would.
Bro, you make me... I hate you, bro. I don't know why I invited Malik to this. Anyway, it's a pretty terrible way to start a vacation, right? Garbage. A broken phone, a monkey wrench thrown in my life plans, and a fat speeding ticket in another state. My second one of the year. You think I'd sulk, right? I'd whine and complain? Nah, fam. See, the way my life works out is when things go horribly wrong, something amazing always follows. And that something was Spring Break 2018. So I started to drive, and around 5 a.m. we made a group decision to stop in NOLA for that irresistible, addictive, and wonderful white power. When she realizes that she doesn't have cash. Glorious. Ayana, what happened to your pants, dude? Oh my god. Y'all sure are in this hole, like it's not 5 a.m.
I don't get tired.
Enrique.
Bro, I thought I had a whole nother Beignets in there. They played me for a fool.
Running on a sensational powdery trip, I drove for a total of 10 hours and passed the wheel over to the speed demons Malik and Leslie, this bum right here next to me.
I hear honey on the dash.
Then we finally arrived. After dropping off our things, we rushed to get a piece of that warm, moist, deep, thick goodness that can only be born of Italian hands. And this fool dropped he is.
Hey, my goddamn fault.
See if I can make this work, you guys. Is it good?
Cake, ice cream.
Eat it! When you rethink your life in one bite. We retired for the night. Well, most of us anyway.
It was good.
I was smoking it, the whole thing right all in my goddamn throat.
You swiping right on Tinder, nigga?
Yeah, buddy.
Are you on the
19
Tinder?
miles away. 19 miles away. I don't know what the fuck that's at, but I know it's not that far.
Hey, you better take a Uber.
They know, bitch better come to me.
This nigga. We rose to the sounds of an angelic angel by the shore side.
Every song you choose is.
The next day, we found a park filled with man-eating monsters, and I got my Nat Geo on.
You missed run!
You make my heart sing. You make everything groovy. Wild thing. Wild thing, I think I love you. But I wanna know for sure. So come on and hold me tight. I love you.
After that, we headed to Miami.
Love and happiness. Something that can make you do wrong, make you do right. Yeah. Love. Love and happiness. Wait a minute, something going wrong. Someone's on the phone. 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Talking about.
We dropped the Savages off at the beach and headed to the Everglades.
Happiness is when you really feel good with somebody. There's nothing wrong being in love with someone, yeah. Oh, baby, love and a happiness. Love and a happiness. Oh.
Look at it, look at my head. There's the hat. And the hat flew into the infested water.
Thank you.
The next day we hit Clearwater, so I could work on my tan and Malik could work on his. We're trying to get that Gucci Man
Oh,
dark.
you get no 10.
We know for him.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
But the beach low-key hit back.
That I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. Upper body boy, plus way back. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
This is so embarrassing. I got attacked by a snake.
The mountains high, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now.
The following day, we packed up everything and jumped on the road and headed back. But we couldn't skip a Friday night on bourbon.
Hold on.
Yeah. Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat.
Yeah.
Something for y'all to cut up to, you know? Yeah. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable.
All in all, it was a wonderful trip, and I wouldn't trade a single moment of time that I spent with these savages. Why are you singing? Why did I invite you to this? I don't understand why you're here. It's done. The video's done. Bye.